Alright, what's going on, gang? We are back again today. We are going to do another video. I told y'all in the beginning that I was starting a new journey. Today is May the 10th. It is actually 10 after 8 on East Coast time, so we're going to start this journey. This company here is a mining company for cryptocurrency, okay? It's called Watermine. Now, when you're looking at this, you're basically looking at like I said, a company that does a lot of mining of cryptocurrency. So, as you can see, this company goes off of, plans. And the beauty of these plans is you earn interest 2% daily, 2.2% daily, 2.4% daily, 2.6% daily. If you pay attention to this, it says the minimum deposit is $10. The minimum payout is $1. Max payout time is 24 hours. So I'm starting this at 8:10. By tomorrow at this time, I should have, if I was to choose this one, I'd have 20 cents in my account. Over here, I would have $2.20 in my account. If I chose $1,000 today, I would have tomorrow at 8:10. I would have $24 in my account. And then if I chose this one, and these are minimum deposits. You can deposit. So let's take for instance the $10. If you chose to do a $10 account, if you chose this account right here, basically you would deposit $10, or you would choose this account. You can deposit anywhere from $10 to $99.99. You go to this deposit over here, this contract, and these are 3-month contracts. All right, so as you can see, at the end of 3 months, this is what you'll make out of each one. Okay, you see the figures get bigger and bigger and bigger. This particular contract, you're earning 2.2% a day. So again, $100, you deposit $100, you get 2.2 a day, $15.40 a week, $66 in 1 month, $198. Now, let me explain something to you. When you are doing these particular contracts, all right, by the time you get here, you have already earned this money back. You won't get this money back. This is your initial investment, but you will earn it back. It sounds cliche, but it's truly not. They're not going to give you this money back in order for you to have $298. No, you will earn this back over time. And I think it's like after like maybe a week, well, let's say the second month, you have like $120, and that'll be your profit. And then what you're basically doing is these are rolling contracts, and I'm explaining the rolling contract bit to you in just a second. So if you go to 1,000, you see the daily payout, you see the weekly payout, you see the monthly payout. You see, so in 1 month, if you put in $1,000, you get $720 back. In second month, you're getting your money back. Now, quick tip, quick disclaimer. This ain't for everybody. This is a way to generate a passive income. If you are, and I'm gonna say this is a new company. Watermine's only been in business since August of 2020. Okay, but be it the fact that they've only been in business since I've seen people. Matter of fact, there's a guy in my city. I'm in Louisville. There's a guy in my city. His name is Sam Ellis. Sam and another gentleman named Peter Hayes, which I was introduced to Peter just a little over a week ago. Sam and Peter both have generated upwards of $15,000 to $20,000. They're depositing a lot of money. Okay, but I've seen the deposits go in, and I've seen the return on investments. There's a couple other people. A lot of people say it's a scam. I don't see it as a scam. What I see it is as, and one of the main reasons, this is what one of the people said. They see it as a scam because it looked like it's targeting black people. And I'm thinking, how could you say that when a lot of times black people are the most skeptics because they won't invest. Then when they start investing, you say that it's a scam because it looks like it's targeting black people. What me and my wife have said is we just see black folk posting about it. That's it. I don't see no scam in it. Now, another quick thing. if you decide that you want to try, there's no push. I'm taking you on my journey. But if you decide that you want to do it, I will leave you a link below. There's a benefit to that for not only you, but for me. But it's not for me to, I'm not literally hounding you to join. I'm just saying, follow my journey. And so, but when you're doing this, the one thing that you have to understand is this. Only invest what you can afford to risk. Meaning, don't go and invest in $1,000 if you can't afford to lose $1,000. Mining companies come and go. Cryptocurrency fluctuates. So if this is not for you, don't invest. So the reason I said that there is a way to get around it. Another way to earn up to 20% in your referrals. And it's just referrals. You can ask people, hey, this opportunities come up. Would you like to join my team and just let's roll together and get this money? That's how people need to look at this, because I'm not asking anybody, I'm just saying, if somebody joins, you get 8% of whatever they deposit. Not from them, but from the company itself. All right. Now, this company is based in the UK. I have reached out to them, emailed them, and got a nice response back from them. So there are people that you talk to. It's not robots. It's not this. It's not that. There are other mining companies out there that have come. People have gotten their money, have gotten rich, have gotten, successful, and then the company closed down. There's another one out there. I'm not going to say their name. I've been looking into them, and they're scammers. This company, I've seen multiple people. There's a guy I work with. We was in the EDC investment group. He invested about $250, and he's already seen a great return on his investment. He's doing the rolling contracts, and like I said, I'll explain the rolling contracts to you. So basically what you do is you can see, this is where they're located at. I did my due diligence. There's another gentleman that I work with. He did his due diligence. There's about 9 of us at where I work at that we're into this right here. So basically, you go over here, you sign up. Now, preferably, I'm already signed up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna click, and I'm gonna log in. Now, this is how you know if you're a robot or not. And this code changes all the time too. They just added this just this weekend. This code at the bottom that lets you know that you're not a robot, because they deal with real people. All right. So this is watermine. This is watermine's dashboard. As you can see, this is their dashboard. This is what it looks like. I have no money in my account balance. You know why? I just joined in April. Now, when I put my money into my crypto wallet, it took 7 days. All right. So I didn't say that in my Coinbase video, but I will say that now. It took 7 whole days. But they let you know that from the jump, okay? So, this is the dashboard. As you can see, this is the news, frequently asked questions, investment support, referrals, promo tools, settings, exchange, history, withdrawal, deposit. I'm getting ready to make a deposit, all right? So, if you pay attention, I have my watermine open, and I have my Coinbase open, okay? Now, here's what's getting ready to happen. I hope I do this right. I hope I don't screw this up, because if not, I gotta wait another 7 days to unscrew my whatchamacallit. So here's what I'm doing. I'm about to make a deposit. Now, you see that the contracts came up, right? I'm deposited into this, so I'm gonna select this plan. Alright. Now, this is important because I'm trying to earn this 2.2%. So the plan I'm selecting is right here. As you can see, it's red. If I click over here, I'm clicking on this one. If I click over here, I'm clicking on this one. I'm not touching these. I'm not there yet. Alright. I'm over here. Right here. So, I come over to my Coinbase real quick. I want to go to my portfolio. I want to see how much money I got. So I got $137 that I'm ready to play with. So here's what I want to do. Alright. The minimum I can put into this is $100. So what am I going to do? I got $137. A few minutes ago, it was at $144. This didn't hit fast enough for me. So what I want to do, the amount I'm going to spend is, I'm going to spend, we'll just do this. The amount I'm going to send. All right, I'm going to send $133. No, I take it back. It's supposed to be $130. Alright. So what I need to do is go down here. This is the amount to send. I'm paying in Bitcoin. As you can see, these are the ways that you can deposit from payment processes. I don't know what perfect money is, so I'm not even gonna act like I know what that is. But Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash. Remember, over here you have Bitcoin. If you go over here to prices, let's go to prices real quick. You got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin. Only one that's not on here is Dogecoin, right? Alright, so we go back over here. Alright, so I know I want to do Bitcoin. I got this process situated. We're going to sit here. We're going to press send. Alright, so it tells me that I got a 3-month contract at 2.2% daily. My profits daily will be 2.2% for 90 days. My principal return not included in the profit. Principal withdrawal. Debit amount is $130, and the Bitcoin debit amount is this particular number right here. Now, down here is where it becomes crucial. It says please send this amount, which is this amount, to this wallet. This is their address. So what you want to do is you want to oh no, I didn't. I didn't mean to click that. I done screwed up the video. Nah, I'm back. What you want to do is you want to go down here and you want to copy this. You want to make sure you copy this. I didn't mean to click that. I'm sorry. You want to copy this, alright? So I always do this. I click Command C, and then I go over to my Bitcoin. Alright, I want to send this money. As you can see, I'm sending Bitcoin. Alright, I'm sending Bitcoin. I'm gonna enter the amount that I'm gonna send because I want to make sure, because they take fees out. So I'm gonna send 134. Actually, it's 133.00. Remember that I'm sending it to this particular wallet. Alright? And I'm sending Bitcoin. So to double check, the reason why I got this open is I'm sending this amount to this wallet. So you go back over here, you make sure everything is on the up and up. Yep, that's it. Press continue. You can send a note. You are sending 133. Yes. Total 135. Yes. Send now. Again, this is very important. You see the note that came up before you send Bitcoin to this recipient. Please make sure you know the recipient and you trust them and you're sending it to the correct address. I'm sending it. So now I go back to my phone again. Alright, I have a verification code that I need to enter in. So my verification code is boom, 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 boom. And I'm clicking confirm. So that's 759-6406. I'm clicking confirm. right, so I sent it to that wallet. Now, I'm going to open up another window and see if I get an email. I don't have an email just yet, but that's cool because I can go over here and I can always fool around. Now, understand this. The contract that I just sent, as you can see, now here's what I like to do. I just like to go ahead and screenshot that. So I got that on my computer. So, I go to my dashboard. I'm just waiting to see for confirmation. Like I said, it takes about 30 minutes. I go to my account. Mess around in there. Go to my settings. Let's see. Yep, that's my email address. Yeah, I'm just waiting on the email to come through to let me know. So, that's how you send money, and that's how my journey is beginning. Now, tomorrow, if everything goes well, and I didn't screw this up, because this is the first time I'm doing this, if everything goes well, guess what? I'll show you the daily profits. We'll look at that about 8:10, 8:20 tomorrow. All right? If y'all like that, man, y'all come on back and click the link below and join in. And you too can learn how to get these profits off of this new venture called watermine. All right, man, it's your boy Tony Porter with Tony's Passive Income. We are here to get money. We are here to show you how to get a passive income. We are here to show you how to kick your 9 to 5. All right. With that being said, we out. Peace.